In today's video we're going to take a look at another highly rated and well-reviewed site in Trustpilot. If you want to know the name of the site and how it works, make sure you watch this video till the end. What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at another money-making website, highly rated and well-reviewed in Trustpilot. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos where I will teach you how to make some extra money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. Let's start by reading the first 5 reviews on Trustpilot. Stanley from US. It is a good site and it offers many benefits and special offers, although sometimes technical issues occur with which you lose your points and your time, but the customer help service responds quickly in the event of any problem. Alon from Canada. Very fast reward. Nice, thank you. Amy from US. Wonderful experience and fun surveys. Linda Trucker from US. This is one of my favorite paid surveys. Sites because you can also get gift cards and other simple offers. Veradza from Mexico. Everything is great except Peanuts Labs surveys. I've made some long ones and never get any SB. As you can see, people all over the world are making money from this website. So the website I'm showing you today is one you might heard about before. It's called swagbucks.com. For those of you who might never heard about this site before, let me explain briefly what it is. Swagbucks is a rewards and loyalty program operated out of Segundo, California under the oversight of Prodige LLC. Program members are able to collect and redeem Swagbucks SB in a number of different ways. Both a full website and mobile apps are available. Throughout the past decade, Prodige has been nominated for and won numerous awards among business and entrepreneur organizations for their development and advancement of Swagbucks. Swagbucks has an 4.3 rating out of 12,909 reviews on Trustpilot. Swagbucks has paid out about $500 million to their members and they distribute more than 7,000 gift cards on a daily basis. If the numbers aren't enough to convince you, the fact that this company has maintained an rating with the Better Business Bureau (BBB) for 13 years should also catch your attention. Swagbucks is 100% legit and safe to use. However, one thing you need to take on board is that by no means is Swagbucks going to make you rich. What it will do is allow you to make a little extra on the side. To get started, sign up for free using the link in the description box below. You'll get a $5 bonus just for joining. There are many ways to earn money on Swagbucks. Surveys are very popular, but it's easy to get burned out on them. Shopping is another popular way to earn points. Points on Swagbucks are called SB points. SB points can be redeemed for popular gift cards for companies such as Amazon, Target, and iTunes. You can also elect to redeem the same value as a payout to your PayPal account. Let's take a more in-depth look at the various ways that you can use Swagbucks to make money. Swagbucks Surveys. One of the more profitable ways to earn SBs on Swagbucks is through responding to paid surveys. For the most part, these surveys are pretty easy and you can do them while you're watching television, riding the metro or bus back and forth to work, or while you're waiting in line. Once you create your Swagbucks account, Swagbucks will ask you for some demographic information about you and your household. From that information, Swagbucks will send you surveys that are a good match to you. Depending upon their length, you can earn anywhere from 1 to 1,000 SBs for each survey you complete. Their surveys are extremely accessible on the website or when using your Android or iOS device. You will normally see the surveys pop up in your dashboard. Earn money playing games. You can play some of your favorite games on Swagbucks and earn SBs while you're goofing off. The first question that will come to mind is whether or not they are games that you actually want to play or enjoy playing. If you like Solitaire, Bingo, Bejeweled, Trivial Pursuit, Tetris, Deal or No Deal or Wheel of Fortune, to name a few, then you are apt to find the games you want to play on Swagbucks. You don't earn tons of points for playing games, but every little bit counts, right? Here's another quick tip. If you're not a game player, you can always allow your kids or others to play through your Swagbucks account and earn off of their efforts. Cash back with Swagbucks. You can get cash back rewards for shopping through Swagbucks. All you have to do is sign into the platform and do your shopping in partner stores in order to begin earning SBs. Earning cash back is easy because more than 1,500 stores, including stores like Starbucks, eBay, Amazon and more, are supported by their program. For every dollar you spend while you're shopping, you can earn up to 20% cash back in the form of SBs. However, to be honest, the average range tends to be between 5% and 8% from the majority of stores, but that's still money you wouldn't get if you weren't shopping through Swagbucks. Earn cash watching videos. If you are like just about everyone else on the planet, you like to watch videos. What if you could earn cash for watching videos? That would be pretty cool, huh? Well, you can earn between 1 and 4 SBs by watching short videos from categories like health, politics, music, entertainment and more. That doesn't sound like a lot of cash considering the amount of time you spend glued to the screen watching a video. Here is a quick tip. You don't have to actually watch the videos, you can have them playing in the background while you do other work. You can even turn the volume down if you like. Swagbucks can earn you some extra cash through the various avenues of points that you are able to earn. How much cash you earn really depends on how you utilize Swagbucks. There are 2 different types of users that use Swagbucks and each earns cash at a much different level. Swagbucks is legitimate and safe to use. They really do pay out their rewards. You can earn some points and cash back rewards through Swagbucks by using it for shopping, as your default search engine, watching videos, taking surveys, playing games and buying gift cards. Remember, you can use the link in the description below to join this website and get a $5 welcome bonus. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any comments, questions, or experience with this website, please share in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content.